Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Anaconda is a popular distribution of Python that includes a comprehensive set of libraries and tools for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. Managing the library paths in Anaconda is crucial for ensuring that the correct packages are used in your Python environment. This tutorial will guide you through understanding and managing the library paths in Anaconda. In Anaconda, library paths are directories where Python looks for packages and modules. Anaconda uses environments to manage these paths and isolate different project dependencies. To view the current library paths in your Anaconda environment, you can use the following command in your terminal or command prompt. This will list all your environments along with their paths. To activate a specific environment and see its library paths, use. You can add a path to the sys.path list temporarily during runtime using the following code. To add a path permanently, you can modify the Python path environment variable. This can be done in your shell configuration file, example.bashrc for Linux/Mac or .bash_profile for Mac. Restart your terminal or command prompt after making this change. Let's create a virtual environment and customize its library paths. This example creates a virtual environment named myenv, installs NumPy and pandas, and adds a custom library path to the environment. The conda env config var set command is used to permanently set the Python path for the environment. By following this tutorial, you should have a good understanding of Anaconda library paths and how to manage them for your Python projects. ChatGPT